close this chapter in our lives. First and foremost, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to God. It has been by His grace and direction that we have been able to go along this path, conquering challenges and rejoicing in victories. His presence has consistently provided support and motivation. I would also like to thank Biblicala del Academy. Our school has been more than just a place of learning. It has served as a community, a haven, and a starting point for our hopes and dreams. To our school administrator, Ma'am Dana Hernandez, thank you for your visionary leadership and for creating an environment where we could thrive. Your commitment to excellence and your dedication to nurturing young minds have set the foundation for our future success. The values and skills we have acquired here will serve us well in the years to come. To our incredible teachers, you have been the guiding stars in our academic journey. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in us the values of perseverance, rational thinking, and curiosity. Beyond academics, you taught us resilience, teamwork, integrity, and hard work. Your dedication has shaped us into confident individuals ready to face the future. For this, we owe you an immeasurable debt of gratitude. To our beloved parents, your unwavering support has been the foundation upon which all our achievements stand. From our first steps to this significant milestone, you have been our pillars of strength, our confidence, and our greatest cheerleaders. You have sacrificed so much to provide us with the opportunities we have today. And for that, we are eternally grateful. As we prepare to step into the next chapter of our lives, we carry with us the lessons of love, perseverance, and hard work you have taught us. To our dear friends and classmates, we have shared countless memories that have shaped our high school experiences. Together, we navigated the challenge of adolescence, celebrated our successes, and supported each other through tough times. We laughed together, cried together, and grew together, sharing bonds that will last a lifetime. We remember the late night study sessions, the shared stress of exams, and the joy of victory in sports and competitions.